Hello everyone, I am Priyapathare. In this video, I am going to show you how to paint simple flower on a mug. So let's get started. For this, you will need acrylic paint. I am using red for my mug. And you will also need a fine lining brush for detailing and a long brush. So we will start by painting the flowers, one on top of the mug and one below. Start painting by making a cloud-like shape. And after completing the bottom flower, paint the top one. After completing the flower, make sure the paint has dried to start with the detailing. I am using black acrylic color here and fine lining brush number 0. Start by making the inner petals. Draw them smaller in the middle and increase the size reaching towards the edge. And some leaves to the side for the extra effects. And some leaves to the side. For an extra effect, I am taking gold powder and applying it to the edges for the flower petals and leaves. I am using acrylic gold powder. To make it wet, I am adding some water to it. After applying the gold powder, I am going over the black detailings of the flower. After finishing this painting, I am going to apply resin coat on the mug. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to like, comments and share. Bye bye and take care.